15, 13 variant, question number 11. Topic is circular mirror AS level. And what a question is, let's read. OA sector, circle, center, O, radius R. It means very clear approach. This is a sector. All people can see easily. Okay, so it means I have a sector like this. All right, O, A, B, radius, radius, and theta. Make sure radius, 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 and radius all same. So this is a diagram is available. So I use this and I paste here, right? Okay. All right, so this diagram is available as a complete sector. All right, so second thing is important here. I've read carefully. He said that this angle is 90 degrees, very clear. ACO, sorry. Angle AOB is alpha radian, very clearly mentioned. And this most important line, which is because a key point, AC divides the sector into two equal regions. It means this R1, or you can say that area 1 is equals to area 2. Okay, so I repeat again, AC divides the sector into two regions. It's a very, very clear mention here, and they are equal regions. Okay, so I hope so. I have two options. I can say area 1 equals to area 2. Two options are available, okay? Or I can say here, I can say one more approach here. What is that? Can I say, students, this is a triangle area. This is a triangle area. Can I say triangle area is actually half of sector area? I repeat my words, this make question easier. I repeat my words because I know that this area A2 and A1 are equals to each other. A1 and A2 are equals to each other. Or can I say that full area divided in two parts, half area here, half area here. Or you can say that this A2 is a half of the full area. So this connection is very, very important, and this will help us to solve the question. So let's see, and this link I use here. All right, so this link is available. Okay, but before I start, this is my target to prove. You can see that this is not a number, no number involved here. So we have to answer in the language of sine, cos, and alpha. So thing is important, how to deal with that. How to deal with that. Can you see, student, look for some planning only. This right angle triangle, I think you can see clearly. O, A, and C. All right, this is alpha and this is radius. And this triangle I picked from here, this triangle. From this triangle, my first task is find OC. Second task is find AC. Then this I will get a R cos alpha, this guy R sin alpha. That is why you can see that both are involved there. So this triangle I also will take from here and I will paste here. So I believe all these points are very clear, diagrams all clear, and now I fulfill the plan. So first of all, this diagram I will take later on and I'll use here, and this diagram I used before, because this triangle I need many things. So have a look how to get this, because you know, students, this is called base into height. This is called base in height. And this is a R and this is a theta, all people understanding this one. So this is not a hard. So let's see how we can base into height. So first of all, adjacent, because all people know in front of angle alpha, this is called O for opposite. In front of 90 degree, this diagram is called this length is called hypotenuse, and this is called adjacent. So now I can find easily adjacent by hypotenuse. So I'm writing here OC by R equal to cos alpha. R goes there and I get OC equals to R cos alpha. This half job is over for this diagram. Now I go for this one, opposite by hypotenuse, all people know. So I'm writing opposite is AC, I call AC. So AC over R is equal to sine alpha. So alpha comes from here. All right, this R multiplies there and I get AC equals to R sine alpha. So alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, base is clear, our height is clear. Now I'm applying this formula, half into base into height equals to half times to sector formula. And what sector formula? Half r square theta. But theta is what, student? You know alpha. So I should not write here theta. I should write here alpha. Okay, so I believe all points clear. And base is what here? Base is this gap OC, which is r cos alpha. I am writing here, before I start, this half cancel from both ends. And base is r cos alpha. Height is this, r sine alpha. Half r exit is r alpha. So r times to r give you r square sine alpha into cos alpha, or cos alpha into sine alpha. No problem at all. And r square cancel, and mabruk. What was my target? Sine alpha cos alpha is equal half alpha. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, the target is achieved. Okay, so this is approved. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. So first part is done. Part number I is done. Let's go for part number 2. Okay, students. Part number 2, student, what is that? 4 marks achieved and 6 marks left. Okay, this 5 marks is a little bit maybe tricky, but inshallah, I hope so you will understand. He's saying that it is given that solution of equation of alpha is this one. Now I will use alpha in the place 0.9477 for dp. It is a given. No need to prove it. It is a given. Find the ratio. Is a perimeter of the region OAC and the perimeter of the region ACB. Where is a perimeter OAC? Let's start. OAC. Okay, so he talked about this triangle, perimeter of the region OAC. So OAEC means actually he confused the word by given region. Actually, we can say triangle even, so no problem at all. So OAC triangle perimeter, I'm looking for job number 1. Job number 2, it means job number 1, it means OA plus AC plus CO. So I have to add the all lengths, very clear. So this job is very clear. Second job, perimeter of the region ACB. Where is ACB? So naturally ACB, he talk about this one. So this perimeter means AC, CB, and this one. So I have to find out, what is ratio called? For example, 3:2, you can write 3 up and 2 down. So this kind of thing, or even I can write even that same, no problem at all. So let's try to approach. Okay, so first of all, triangle. First of all, triangle. So 1 minute, please. So how to get triangle? Let's start. Triangle this one now. And all of you know it's easy because radius we know. Okay, so first of all, parameter of, I'm writing here, parameter of, what is that? OAC. Parameter of OAC. Ratio, parameter of ACB. Parameter of ACB. Okay, and what is a parameter of OAC? Is a very clear, this length, this, and this, all 3 lengths add. So R plus this plus this. So I'm adding all. If adding all, R plus R sine alpha plus R cos alpha. So alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, this part I got it. Now what is missing now? Parameter of ACB. Where is ACB, student? This is I think I can show you blue region. This is a blue region. Okay, so this is a blue region, and I'm looking for AB arc length, AC straight length, which is same here. So, and this CB is interesting, very interesting. Look at here, students. My question from you, what is OC? OC, you have it. So this is R cos alpha. But for, listen please, radius, 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 radius. So what is the full gap? This full gap is radius. And what is OC gap? OC gap is we have R cos alpha. So I'm writing here R cos alpha. So my question, what is CB? So CB is R minus R cos alpha. So I think plan is so simple. Let's start AC. AC we have already R sine alpha. I'm writing here R sine alpha plus. What about this arc length? All people know arc length formula is what? S is equals to R theta. Radius is R, theta is alpha. So I can say this is a simply R alpha. So I got R alpha. One last part left. I repeat my words. This I got it. Alhamdulillah. This I got it. Alhamdulillah. What is missing? CB missing. How do you get CB, students? CB is nothing hard. R minus R cos alpha. So I'm writing here. R minus R cos alpha. I let you check again. Yeah, correct. Now I have alpha given by him. And what is alpha given by him? 0.9477. 0.94, 0.94, 0.9477. Okay, I will plug in this same time or later. R, and R. If I divide whole equation with R, what happens, students? So here I get a 1. I get a 1 plus sine alpha plus cos alpha ratio sine alpha plus 1 and minus cos alpha. And now I'm going to replace every alpha with that. And let's see what happens. So I'm saving my time and I'm typing in my calculator. And sorry, what is the target to achieve? Check, please. I have to give answer in K ratio 1. It means this answer value, I must get a K, and here I must get a 1. So it means this number, I need 1. Okay, so make sure. I repeat my words. First of all, I replace alpha. So let's see. 1. Okay, I think space issue. So I'm starting from behind. So sine 0.9477 plus cos 0.9477 ratio sine 0.9477 plus 0.9477 plus 1. Okay, wait a minute, because again, problem of space. So I resolve it dragging back. Okay, minus and then cos. So I'm plugging now cos, and wait a minute. Plus 1 and cos of 0.9477. Okay, students, I'm typing both left hand side. First, I'm typing 1 plus sine 94. Okay, 0.9477. So I'm typing, okay, and plus cos. Okay, left hand side, student, I am getting 2.3956 5627 ratio. Let's see what answer comes right hand side now. I'm typing all together. Wait a minute, please. 9477. Okay. Sorry, short issue. Plus point, plus answer, and plus 1 minus cos answer. And I am getting right hand side 2.17622. But according to target, K ratio 1 is required. This is K will come later on, but here I need 1. But my question, how I can get 1? Divide whole equation with the right side number. What the number I have right side, I will divide. Look, I'm doing 2.395627, 2.17622. 2.17622, 2.17622, and here it will cancel out and I get a 1, but right hand side I'll check 2.395627 divided by this answer, and I'm getting here 1.10081. But look at his students, what he's asking for. Read it. 1 dp. Okay, so 1 decimal place means if I write a 1 dp writing, so it means I need this, I don't want. So 1.1 ratio K, sorry, ratio 1. So alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. So this is a K ratio 1 as he said. So alhamdulillah, K value is 1.1. Alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. I got my answer. Let's go for the last part, and last part for 1 mark. He's asking find angle AOB. Which angle AOB he is asking for? AOB. Oh, it means he's asking for alpha angle, this one. Okay. So I have a simple way. If I look here, because alpha is given here. Wait a minute. Find angle AOB. All right. Wait a minute. Oh, he said degree, sorry, degree. This is a radian. So it means simple 9.44 radian. I'm going to convert it. So let's start. So 0.9477 radian, I want to convert into degree. This is a plan. Okay, you know, students, whenever we go from 0 to this, it is called 180 degree. But in radian, when I go from here till here, it is called pi radian. And these are equals to each other. So I'm writing here D for degree, R for radian. So I'm writing here 180 degree equal to pi radian and 0.9477 radian equal to how much? So this radian I'm copying here and simply cross multiply. So I'm getting answer what? X is equals to what? 180 times to 0.9477 divided by pi. And I'm typing in calculator, students. Just a minute, please. 9477 and divide by pi. And my answer is coming is 54.3 degree. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I hope so. The point is very